Hi, my name is Mary Watt, and this is for the Pakistan class. This is my presentation. It's on Abdul Sattar Edhi, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan. Abdul was born February 28th, 1928, in India, into a Memon family. When he was 11, his mother became paralyzed after suffering from a stroke. For 8 years, he took care of her, including he bathing her, feeding her, and dressing her until she passed away. When the partition of India was made, Edhi and his family migrated to Pakistan. Seeing his mother suffering made him realize that many other people needed help. At the age of 20, he started volunteering at a Memon charity, but he left the charity when he realized that they would only care for other Memon people. So he fled to Europe in fear for his life after confronting his superiors. While in London, he examined social welfare programs on which he would base the rest of his charitable works. He says, I saw people lying on the pavement. The flu spread in Karachi, and there was no one to treat them, so I set up benches and got medical students to volunteer. I was penniless and begged for donations on the street, and people gave. I bought this 8x8 room to start my work. That's what Edhi said when he had come back to Pakistan. He started Edhi Trust with just $500, but he expanded the trust to other medical fields. Through hard work and diligence, he went on to establish a maternity home, emergency ambulance service, and many, many other services. The reach of Edhi's foundation grew internationally. Edhi Foundation is Pakistan's largest welfare organization with 1,800 ambulances, 28 rescue boats, and 2 airplanes. The slogan for the foundation is Live and Help Live. He was known as the Angel of Mercy. He, with his foundation, rescued over 20,000 abandoned infants, rehabilitated over 50,000 orphans, trained over 40,000 nurses, and the foundation runs more than 330 welfare centers in rural and urban Pakistan that operate as food kitchens, rehabilitation homes, shelters for abandoned women and children, and clinics for the mentally handicapped. Abdul Edhi was often seen caring for the orphans, washing and burying the deceased, as well as driving ambulances as part of his work with the Edhi Foundation. By Pakistani law, a father's name is needed for official paperwork. Edhi gave his name to the fatherless. Over the years, he fathered hundreds of thousands of people. His kidneys failed in June of 2013, and he passed away 3 years later, leaving his wife and 4 children. BBC wrote that he was considered Pakistan's most respected figure and was seen by some as almost as a saint. To end this presentation, I would just like to share a few of Edhi's words. The Holy Book should open in your souls, not on your laps. Open your heart and see God's people. In their plight, you will find them. Appearance is a distraction. Surrendering it develops truth and humility in abundance. And empty words and long praises do not impress God. Show him your faith by your deeds. I hope you enjoyed this topic presentation, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much.